In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clipper Card on Bart. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your Clipper Card on Bart is extremely simple. You can do it in a very convenient fashion, fast and easy. So as you enter the station, locate the Clipper Card reader. Usually it is going to be a blue circle with a Clipper logo. Now all that you have to do is hold your Clipper Card flat against the reader. When you hold it for a second or so, you will hear a beep and see a light indicating that your fare has been deduced. If you have a specific card registered to a digital wallet, such as the Apple Wallet or the Google Wallet, all that you have to do instead is enable NFC capabilities on your phone and physically place your phone near the card reader. As soon as this is done, once again, you will hear the beep and you will see the light indicating that the fare has been deducted. So you will be able to tag off. Once you have reached your destination and you exit the station, find another Clipper card reader and tag your card again to confirm the end of your trip. This is important because Bart uses a distance-based fare system. Tagging off ensures that you are charged the correct fare based on your trip distance. Bart operates within fare zones. Tagging on and off within the same fare zone usually results in a lower fare. If you are transferring to another transit system that uses Clipper, you may be eligible for transfer discounts, so always make sure to tag on and off at appropriate points to qualify. If your card balance is low, you might be charged a higher fee. It is advisable to keep your charge topped up. This way you will never run into problems, and you can use the Clipper application to check your balance, add value, and purchase passes. If you would like to acquire a digital card, you can use the Apple Wallet or the Google Wallet to do so. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Clipper in Bart. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.